Hello, everyone. Welcome to our presentation on applying machine learning for alternative data outlier detection and deletion. It's a joint work from me, my colleagues Zhenying Ban, Hoff, Handy Cook, and Gary Yong. And this research is based on our previous review on the alternative data outlier detection, which has been presented as another poster section. And for the people who are interested, you are welcome to search the conference program for the information. So today's presentation is about the methodology highlights and its ultimate result has been achieved. Our research is based on the following procedures, and the procedures has been shown by the two figures. We first started with the highlights. There's real high demand for innovative machine learning outlier detection methods from price construction and CPI indexes of international statistics bureaus. This is in high demand largely because we need high frequency observation, which is very hard to be found from the official surveys and other means. And we, in the same time, have vast amount of information available online or from the scanner code data. However, it's very difficult to tackle the problem, although we have some advantage in terms of information availability. So the procedure is built as this. With text vectorization and classing methods, we build a universal methodology framework for both data sources. And it's a unique way to, first of all, conducting good classification and outlier detection. And we are managed to find 2 or 3 layers of outlier detection for both scanner data and web server data. And in the same time, in case our main methods cannot work, we also provide backup methods from isolation forests and so-called TF-IDF. And we are managed we created a manageable task force for ONS and the statistics bureaus alike. And we are able to detect and delete up to 10% observations from both alternative sources. And this is a better result than the standard normal distribution related methods. And we can also provide efficiency, and we can delete and delete outliers and generate time series for further index build-up at the same time. And if we look at the roadmap, and there are much more detailed information, and we can conduct the between group ordering, which is for the observations within the same time of period, and within group ordering, which is for the time series, both ordering for the scanner data, and we are managed outlier detection and deleting for the both stages as well. So basically, 2 outlier detections and deletions for the scanner data. If we look down to see the thick pack picture for the web scan data, which involve a much more advanced technical set, text vectorization. And we can provide one more layer of outlier detection based on text vectorization to basically to change the product attributes, qualitative information to vector values, quantitative information, and then we, from there, detect outliers to construct a similar group of products. And then we follow the similar procedures to the scanner data. As you can see, they build up on the same pack of methodology with text recognition considered, with efficient improved, with outlier detected. Hopefully you will find my presentation interesting. And if you are tech savvy and want to explore more to improve the official data construction, you are welcome to contact me via our conference email links. Thank you so much and enjoy your day.